Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up to show you most beautiful heavy bridal sleeves design using the normal stitching needle on stitch blouse. So without wasting time, let's quickly start with this designing. Firstly, we need to highlight the sleeve opening. For that, I would be applying the glue line broadly like this. This is to stick the chain ball lace and the stone lace. This way we will highlight the sleeve openings. Also same you have to follow on the neckline for the designing. That means we need to highlight the neckline. Apply the glue broadly like this and then stick chain ball lace, stone lace and chain ball lace. This way we will highlight both the neckline, also the sleeve. This pattern is really grand looking and you cannot believe that such a simple blouse we are creating into new designer blouse. Further extending the designing, giving the markings of the curve shape like this. I'll be marking here freehandedly using the marker, but if you are not comfortable, mark it on the paper, then trace it the way which I am giving the instruction. The curve should be marked oppositely to each other like this, and the small stems has to be marked. Ensure all the curves should have the same size. On the other side of the sleeve also I'll be giving the same markings like this. This way the complete sleeve marking we have to give it. And the materials which I have used for this designing is easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the online links provided in the description box. If you want, you can check it. On each and every curve we have to apply the glue line like this. Little by little we'll apply the glue, then we'll stick the chain ball lace. Instead of chain ball lace, you can also work with the stone lace or the pearl lace, which will really enhance the royal look. Now I'll cut the chain ball lace here like this. Little by little we have to apply the glue, then sticking the chain ball lace on it. And to the ends of the curves I'd be sticking 1 inch of kundans like this. These are maroon color kundans. I'd be preparing this with the multicolor so that it will match to any types of saree colors. I'll also highlight these kundans by sticking the chain ball lace also with the stone lace, highlighting the kundan shape all over. Now for the small size of this stem work, I'd be applying the glue lines again to stick the stone lace. So left over on the curves, I would be applying the glue lines like this. This is to stick green color drop shape kundans. The leftover gaps, I'd be applying the glue dot to stick silver color kundans of circular shape and let it dry for some time. Like this, I'd be stitching silver color kundans of small size, and this is completely optional. And I'm done with the 𝐬𝐻𝐳 work. This is to highlight these green color kundans, which is of leaf shape. I left one drop shape. This is to show you how we have to do the 𝐬𝐻𝐳 work. Just insert in the needle. Here I'd be working with size 9 number needle along with gold 𝐬𝐻𝐳 string of small size with cotton silk thread. This is how we have to insert in the needle, and at this tip we have to give the stitch. And on the chain ball lace, on the sleeve openings, wherever we have done with the work of chain ball lace, there we have to give an invisible stitches on it, but even after the frequent washes it will stay for long run. This is how we have to give an invisible stitches, leaving 2 or 3 chain ball laces completely on the stone lace. Also with the chain ball lace we have to give an invisible stitch also on the sleeve openings. Really friends, this type of multicolor designing, that too overall designing, will really give rich elegant look. You can try this type of designer, complete overall designer blouse for the simple pattu saree or the plain saree, whatever the saree it is. This will really enhance your beauty also, and this would be the center of the sleeves. This is how the complete sleeve would look. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my work. Also do share this video in your community of circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are interested in subscribe to AmazingWomensWorld channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon.